Hello viewer, in this video I am telling about the look stunning of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The speaker discusses a new render, the patent feeling suggesting that Samsung next foldable phone. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have a notably thinner profile when also being wider than the current iteration. The phone outer and inner screen are expected to feature different aspect ratio, and a new hing model design may ensure durability while disturbing the load evenly. The patent also reveals a potential new camera array design which models placed directly on the back of the device. Although the actual design may not perfectly match the patent, the change in dimension and potential reduction in a price could help Samsung regain into dominant position in the foldable phone markets. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.